placed with City Corporate Services India Private Limited. I have completed my MBA from SISTec. During my tenure at MBA here at SISTec, I have got an opportunity to intern with Amazon. SISTec gave me an opportunity to learn plenty of things while pursuing MBA here. Also, I got a confidence which is needed in the corporate to survive. Apart from knowledge and the faculty exposure, I got more and more insights about the corporate, which helped me to build a better space in the corporate sector. Also, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the placement team at SISTec who gave me this opportunity. Thank you.